Very good evening, my dear friends. Regarding of CPGET 2025 free online coaching, today's our eminent resource person, Dr. Tirunahari Yugandhar sir, Associate Professor, Department of Botany, Kakatiya Government College, Hanmakonda. Sir is going to explain most important area in plant systematics or plant taxonomy. Today onwards, Sir is going to explain about the families and morphology, distribution, vegetative characteristic features, and reproductive characteristic features, floral diagram, floral formula, and most important plants of the different families. So, my dear friends, utilize this wonderful opportunity. Sir has huge experience in the field of plant sciences. Sir is most senior, most botany fraternity in our Telangana state, but also the erstwhile Andhra Pradesh. So in this regard, we would like to invite Dr. Tirunahar Yugandhar sir. Please unmute yourself, sir, and start your session, sir. Please welcome.
ANNONACEAE, the characters and also distribution and types. So what is a family? Any angiospermic plants which are a description based on the floral and morphological characters. The first taxonomical level or scientific name classification. The second one, habitat, root system, shoot system, leaves, floral characters, flower, before flower inflorescence, flower, petals, sepals, androgens, and gynoecium, floral formula, economic importance, and also other character features are including that today we are a first family of the Annonaceae family. So this Annona squamosa is a common plant species in Annonaceae family. Common name is also sugar apple or custard apple. So you know that the kingdom plant order Magnoliales, Magnoliophyta division, or then Magnoliales order. The family Annonaceae genus Annona squamosa are synonymous words are Annona aciducata. This is also that the same type. Then angiosperms, the scientific classification is spermatophyta divisions. Sperms means seeds yielding plants. Then the seeds yielding plants, two classes, the dicotyledons and monocotyledons. The subdivision angiosperms and gymnosperms, two subdivisions. Angiosperms is also common division or common subdivision of our syllabus, class, order, family, and genus, and also species. So this is also important. Annona squamosa, the popular with the common name of custard apple or sugar apple. It is a common name or Purumen fruit. Its origin from a West Indies and Central America. The plant is also cultivated throughout the South Asia, especially in tropical region. Also edible purpose. It is a more sweet in nature. It is a small, about 5 to 6 in height, deciduous, and also free with the irregularly branches of the plant. That is also one characters. So what are the plant description? The total Annonaceae family, 56 genera and 500 to 600 species are available in the dicotyledons subdivisions, dicotyledons classes. important fruit crops, which the Annonaceae includes. So, Kirimia, Etimoya, or custard apples, sugar apples, then guanabana, or a soap, minor annonas, including so ilama and also pa. These are a common plant names which are included in the Annonaceae family. Origin is also various with species. South and Central America and Mexico, it is not native plants in India. It is also South Africa or also South Central area that plant. So this is also that these figures have seeds are there in the plant. But here scientific name is also there. But the species and varieties, the custard apple belongs to that is 40 genera and also Annona has got a 120 species, out of which 6 have commercially significant plants. 6 families, 6 plants. That first is also Annona squamosa, custard apple, sugar apple, sweet top, the common names of Annona squamosa, having good quality. Then the fruits develop from a loosely cohering corpus forming a squamous or tuberculous surface. Squamous means a round or a cup-like or eye-like corpus are there. So these are tuberculated surface. The pulp around the seeds is a very sweet and also pleasantly flavored. That is also variety of the species characters of the Annona squamosa plant. So this is a Annona, and expand slow flowers, which are a twig that leaves and flowers and fruits are arranged on so vegetative characters, habitat and habitat. So the trees, shrubs are lions, which are total plants in the Annonaceae family. Majority of the plants as shrubs, few are trees, few are lions. Artobatus climbs by means of hooks. It is also climbers. Only Artobatus, Odoridismus plant climber, which can climb through the hooks by means of a hook-like structure. It can climb to upwards. All plants which have a leaf, oil, or oil ducted or scented plant leaves present in the bark, leaves, and perianth leaves. The oil ducts are present not only leaves, every part of the plant, like leaves, fruits, then also stem, and also flowers, and the aerial parts in the bark also. It is a majority of the plant is also terrestrial and a perennial, evergreen deciduous are cultivated as well as by terrestrial plants, only land plants, and a perennial more than 2 years, or annual, biannual, and perennial plants. Evergreen means deciduous forest, not evergreen. It is a cultivated as well as wild. Majority of the plants are a wild, few are the cultivated. That is also habitat and habitat. Habitat means structure and habitat means distribution of the areas on the tropical and subtropical areas on the land are terrestrial. The root system is a taproot system, deep and extensively branched. The taproot system is a characteristic features of the dicotyledons. These are a first dicotyledon plants. That is also taproot system. Then also stem. The stem is also stand erect. Only few is also branch or climbers. That is example Artobatus. Remaining all plants are state erect. Also branched. The branching is sympodial or opposite. Solid woody. Solid means strong. The stem is strong and also woody. Sometimes are woody climbers. Then leaves are simple and dairy alternate, stipulate or a distribute or a distinction. Distachous glands are dotted. That is also characters. Then also got the floral characters. So what are the leaves are a very simple, the simple type of the leaves. The leaves in dairy alternate, reticulate, so pinnate reticulate venation. The both sides are differentiation. Dorsal when they're differentiated, the upper surface is smooth, then dorsal surfaces are curved. That is also one nature. It is also granular, also scented. That is also evergreen. Leaf are a greenic, that is called deciduous. And distinct are the disticus glands dotted, that which are a release of smell and attraction of insects. That is one character. Then the floral characters, the inflorescence, which are often solitary, only single, axillary, sometimes are cauliflowers in groups. Cauliflowers, it is a special feature of the plants of dicotyledons. It can develop in a direct fruits from the major stem, main stem, the flower, which are a icteromorphic and zygomorphic, both. Ictero means it when we cut into the two equal halves, the flowers, any plane to cut to be two equals, but sometimes are not. That is called zygomorphic. In a monodora, due to the difference in size of petals. Petals and sepals are different in characters. Hermaphrodite means also it is a hermaphrodite means the bisexual flowers or unisexual in a stylococarpus. It is a one plant that is unisexual. Only male and female flowers are plants are in different areas. Growing takes place. Complete means androgen, gynoecium. Sepals petals are in the flowers are four parts are completely present. That is called complete bisexual or unisexual. The sepals and petals number is also 3. Means that is trimerous. Ibogynous, it is special characters of ibogynous or perigynous in a eupomatia, perigynous. Then spirocyclic, often aromatic plants. Aromatic, it is a one definite and one character to the releasing of the smells. Also, scented glands, which are present on the every part of the plant. Then the calyx. So this calyx is a outermost layer of the flower. These flowers are which are axillary, also called a terminal development. Then the flower is also called a single, ictonomorphic. The inflorescence are also solitary type. Then the calyx is also three sepals, polysepalous or a connate at the base, valvate, free of sepals, which are a important character of the sepals. Then petals. The petals are 16 whorls, 3 each valvates, 3, 2 whorls. Outer whorl of the petals, inner whorl of the petals. The two each whorl having 3 each. That is also valvate or a slightly imbricate estivation. Sometimes are a no distinction into the sepals and petals. That are both are same in color. The petals are not colored. The sepals are green in color. Means the both are sepals and petals are not distinct. All of the sepals petals are in the same way, same color, which are like a perianth flowers. In 3 are more whorls in each of the calyx and corolla. That is one character. These are the plant. The Annonaceae, a portion of a flowering plant, a single flower. This is also single flower. The sepals and petals are separate. That the outermost sepals one way, then inner and innermost 2 whorls of the petals. The 2 whorls each of the petals is also 3, like this is also one thing or internal character features of the flowers. You take the transaction of the ovary, also called a single, but this is also floral formula of the BR means also bracteates are present. Blue color bract. These bracts, the bracts are specialized parts that the bracteolate bracteates are present. Then after that, so itonomorphic flowers, itonoformic, then bisexual flowers. Then also called a K3, means calyx, sepals. Sepals number is also 3. Petals number 3 plus 3, 2 whorls. Then indocium is infinite. Indefinite means that is a number of the more number of the stamens. Then gynoecium also androecium is also infinite. That is a more number of the sepals and petals are arrangement. So this is also character of the androecium. So these androecium, the stamens are numerous. Then also spirally arranged on the axis, which forms a large convex receptacles, filaments, short and thick, anthers are long and extrudes. The anthers means it is a very phalanges. Then dithecous tetralobed anthers, which are the anthers are inside of the flowers, which is not inside of the flowers, outside, that is got extrudes. Then truncate, connectivity, and also bithecous tetralobed anthers, that is specialized parts of anthers. Then also called a gynoecium. Gynoecium means then then ovary and stigma, that is carried that parts of the gynoecium. In the ovary, the carpules are numerous number. Each carpule is after fertilized to seed. The carpules numerous are a few, usually free. The carpules are usually free, spirally arranged on the raised receptacles. Receptacle apocarpus. This specialized feature is apocarpus, and also superior ovary, unicarpellary. Only single carpus are present in a one, and a ovules, that is a unicarpellary and a unilocular ovules. One to many anatropous ovules. Styla short or known, stigma small, monandra, monodora Africa with Sinocarpus ovary and also peridial placentation. This is also different of Monodora Africa, Annona squamosal like plant. That is a specialized parts of the syncarpus ovary and also peridial placentation. So remaining all in the Annona squamosa, which is also unilocular ovules and anatropous ovules and apocarpus superior oval. That is the difference of the Anana squamosa and also monodora plant, which are different areas are available in the plant. That is also one character. The pollination. So these are entomophilous due to the gaudy and also scented flowers. Scented flowers, which is also the distribution is also here. Once again, the 62 genera and 8 species are families are there. Families. Then the economic importance of the Annonaceae. So which are the annona, which are the food, the fleshy fruits of various annona species, the juicy and edible fruits, also used in the preparation of the soft drink and jellies. Soft drink. Recent analysis shows that they contain about 18% of sugar. 18%. The edible fruits are also obtained from various species of annona and also called asimina. Annona and asimina, but the two species are different. Percentage of the sugars are obtained. The second important economic uses of the Annonaceae is timber yielding plants. So Bocagia, Virigata, Bocagia larifolia. So this is Cytocalis, Gilani, Cus, also got Dugitia, Quiterians, Oxandra, Lanceolata, and Eupomia, Lanceolata yield useful timber yielding plants, which are all is also timber, which can use the more important of the which prepare the doors and windows and also got furnitures. So this is also the total which have the fruits and flowers are take the longitudinal section of the seed. Here is also there, but this is also total plants are there. That the third one is also third economic important is also oil. The flowers of the desmos, Chinese furnish also macassar oil or perfumes. macassar. It is a one type of the oil. It can use of the perfumes. The perfume is also obtained from the so flute fragrance and especially liked by Arab women. It's a special type of the perfumes are available. It may be used in the Arab women. Then also fourth one, fibers. The bark of the gonothalamus widely produces a strong fibers. Fibers means threads. It can preparation of the ropes. Then ornamental. Ornamental means gardening plants. That is Artobatus odidismus and Annona discolor are grown in a garden for their scented flowers. Dismiss Chinese is a ornamental tree. It is a small and ornamental tree. It is a major important of the common plants of the family. Annona squamosa, Annona reticulata,